Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this beautiful candle holder. And one more thing guys, in previous video also I had done something similar to this. If you missed it, the link will be given in the description box as well. You can check over there. So let's get started. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and make sure that you hit that bell icon to get the further notifications. So for this, first we'll be needing an empty soft drink bottle like this. Using a marker, mark the line at the bottom part and cut it across the line. You'll be getting something like this. Now take a wire like this and start bending it from the middle. So bend it in such a way to form a U shape. Using your pliers, fold the ends. So make sure that both the ends are of same level. So now we are done with the hanging part. Insert it inside like this. Now take white cement and mix it with water. So the consistency should be like this, not too thick or too thin. So now remove the wire from the plastic cup and grease it with enough amount of oil. So now start filling the cup with the cement. Make sure that we had prepared and make sure that you are leaving ½ inch of gap on the top. And then just tap it gently to remove any air bubbles. So now let the cement mixture set for 15 minutes and then insert this metal wire inside. And now I am using this paper cup to create the gap to fit the candle. So now put some weight in the cup and then secure it with masking tape. After this, let it dry completely, wait for at least 24 hours. Then remove the tape. And remove the paper cup. So now start removing the plastic cup. And one more thing guys, it is not that easy to remove. It took time and be careful guys not to hurt your hands. Though I greased the plastic cup with oil, it didn't come off easily. So finally I am successful in removing the plastic portion. So now to make it stronger, take a bowl of water and insert this into the water. Leave it in water for 6 hours and then take it out and let it dry. So now using the sandpaper, soften the rough edges. And then clean it with any soft cloth to remove the excess dust. So now let's start designing our candle holder. For this I am using Fevicryl molded. You can use any other air dry clay. Roll the clay and start covering the handle part. Cover it completely with clay. Merge the clay carefully and soften it using talcum powder. Now let's start making few flowers. Again take some clay and roll it. Now I'll be using this paper cutout Place it over the clay and cut it according to the shape. You just need to draw any flower shape on the thick chart paper and cut it with scissors. Then your paper cutout is ready. Remove the paper cutout and then carefully remove the excess clay. Now soften the surface and the rough edges to get the perfect structure of flower. Now to get the realistic look, give some impressions on the flower. Make few more flowers like this and place them on the palette to get the shape. So now let's start making these. For that again take small amount of clay and roll it in the form of teardrop shape and then press it until you get a leaf shape. And you can give impressions on leaf using your knife. Make more leaves. So now we are done with the making of our flowers and leaves. So let's start making our cute little bird. Again take small amount of clay and roll it to form a cone shape like this. Now at the tip bend it like this to form the tail. And now form the head portion. Press it like this gently. Then carefully press it upwards to form the head. Soften the surface using talcum powder. Now to make the beak, take very little tiny amount of clay and stick it on the head portion. Now again take little clay and make eyes. So our bird is ready. So now let's design our handle part. Again make small leaves. Roll the clay in the form of teardrop shape and attach this to the handle. So now let's start making small flower for our handle. Roll it again in the form of teardrop shape using your toothpick. Start forming a flower shape. So once you're done with the making of the flower, attach this to the handle. Now let's attach the birds near the handle. And then start sticking the flowers and leaves. While sticking the leaves, you can slightly bend them to give the realistic look. So once you're done with the sticking part, let the clay dry completely. Once it gets dried, start coloring it. As a base coat, I am applying white acrylic paint. Then let it dry. And from here you can choose any color of your choice. So for the basket, I am using light blue. And I'm using light pink for the flowers. To give shading to the flower, on the center I'm using red color and just spreading it out with a brush. And now green for the leaves. And for the bird, I will be using pink and blue. And finally for the pollens, I am using this white 3D outliner. So we are almost done. So once it gets dried completely, seal your project with any good varnish. So that's it guys, our beautiful candle holder is ready. You can place it on a table or even you can hang this on your balcony. I totally loved it and I hope you guys also enjoyed this project. So please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you guys are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.